Hello everyone, welcome to Lane Guitar. Myself Arun. In this video we will see the tutorial for the song Jiya Jale Jaan Jale from the Hindi movie Dil Se, and in this tutorial I will be focusing on the part 2, that is Anuvalvi part, and the Pallavi part I will be doing in another video. So hope you can learn from this video. Thank you. So the song start from this note in the second string. Dekhte hai, that is the line of this song. So three notes are coming, that is the second string 10th fret, that is A. So the second string 10th fret A, first string 8th fret which is C, and D in the 10th fret D. So the three notes are A, C and D. So that is actually Dekhte hai. So A, C, D. Even you can play this in the first string itself. So first string 5th fret is actually A. So A, this is C and this is D. So A, C, D. A, C, D. That is Dekhte hai. Dekhte hai. So if you are applying plucking style, it will be like this. मन में चिपती है, that is the next line. Tan mera, and that part is in this note, that is D. So A, C, D. Dekhte hai tan mera man mein chipti. That man mein chipti is actually starting from this note in the first string, that is C. You can see how I played. So I strike that C and moved the fret towards A. So one strike, two notes. Man mein chipti, man mein chipti. That is that part. So that is a C, A, C. Man mein chipti, and we are stopping at D. So only three notes in this song right now what I teach you. So dekhte hai tan mera man mein chipti. So up to that part only three notes are there, A, C, D. Okay, you can play A in the first string which is at the 5th fret, or you can play at the second string at 12th fret, that is also A. Hey nazar, that part is Hey nazar. So Hey nazar is actually from this note, that is 10th fret, this is D. So D, F, E, F, and we are stopping at D. So D, F, E, F, D. So strike at D, move the fret towards F. So that's it. And again we are playing the same notes again. And next part is na 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 na. So that is the next part. So that is D, F, E, F. D, 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 F, E, F. D, D, F, E, F. And again next part is from here, C. So D, F, E, F. Next part is C, F, E, F. So same pattern. So 2 times we are playing that. So total 4 times. Same pattern. The 2 same pattern is repeating again and again. And next part is kya karu. Kya karu. That is D. All these notes are playing in the first string. So only you can play all this note in the single string that is on the first string. Okay. Kya karu. That is D, G, F sharp, G. So D, G, F sharp, G. That F sharp and G is on the 14th and 15th fret. 15th fret is first string, 15th fret is G, and this 14th fret is F sharp. Kya kaise karu. Kaise karu is C, C, F, E, F. So D, G, F sharp, G, C, F, E, F. रात भर कैसे करे, रात भर, and that part is from this note. And this is A sharp. Sorry, this is actually A sharp. 6th fret, first string 6th fret is A sharp. Okay. रात भर कैसे करे. So A sharp, D, D sharp. You can see रात, that is on this A sharp. रात भर, that is on D. रात भर कैसे करे. Kare is actually C, A sharp, A. Kare, raat bhar kaise kare. So if you are playing all this note together, it will be like A. Dekhte hai tan mera, man mein chipti hai nazar, hoth jaate unke. क्या करूं कैसे करूं, रात भर कैसे करे. And again that high pitch note, I mean the Pallavi part.